In the roaring 20 seconds and 30 seconds, the ketogenic diet emerged as a beacon of hope, initially known for treating epilepsy. Fast forward to today, and this diet has transcended, proving its worth for autism, diabetes, and weight loss. The keto revolution is sweeping the globe, becoming a favorite among experts and common folks alike. Imagine a world where everyone, from neighbors to celebrities, is on the keto bandwagon. Transformations are flaunted, recipes flood the internet, and keto lifestyle books hit the shelves. It's not just a diet, it's a movement. The secret? Cut carbs, embrace fats. Bid farewell to carb-heavy delights and welcome a diet centered around meat, eggs, and veggies. Sacrifices? Yes. But is it worth giving up the joy of warm bread or indulgent desserts? Enter a game-changer, a way to stick to the keto path while enjoying your beloved treats. Thanks to Kelly Herring, author of Keto Breads and Keto Desserts, you can have your keto cake and eat it too. Kelly's journey, fueled by a background in nutritional biochemistry, led her to craft recipes that mimic the real deal. Her books are a testament to years of trial, error, and triumph. People worldwide savor bread and desserts without guilt, experiencing deliciousness unleashed. Herring's recipes ensure healthy doesn't mean bland. The books offer foolproof baking with stunning visuals, empowering even baking novices. Rigorous trial and error guarantee extraordinary taste. Allergen-friendly and nutritionally transparent, these recipes offer healthier renditions of classic comfort foods. Worried about commitment? Both digital and physical versions come with a 100% satisfaction money-back guarantee. Try the recipes, savor the results, and if within 60 days you're not delighted, your money finds its way back to you. The bottom line? You don't have to choose between health and flavor. With Keto Breads and Keto Desserts, adhere to your diet while relishing foods you adore. No more feeling deprived. Bake your way to a healthier life. The purchase link awaits in the description. Embark on your keto baking journey now.